On Sunday, August 7th, 2022, we rode the TGV from Paris to Basel, Switzerland. This was about a 3-hour rail journey. We were on the lower level of the train. Here's the interior of the car. And once we got to Basel, Switzerland, we had to get off the TGV high-speed rail and switch to a regional Swiss train. Here is the station in Basel, and that was the TGV that we just got off. Okay, we're in Basel, Switzerland, and we've switched platforms, and this train is not our train, so don't worry. That nice man there who just hopped on told us this is not your train. Our train will be the next train. The train tickets from Basel to Lucerne were very expensive. $111.
It's only 43 right now. Our train leaves at 06 or 03.
Oh, so we have like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cut that out of the video.
Oh, benches. That's...
It's like a smoking area.
Well, there's a bug.
Here comes our train.
There's a wasp.
Okay.
There's a bug. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's all one level.